unleashing the power within, harnessing deep thinking to solve problems. Welcome back to the Human Errors YouTube channel, where we explore topics that help you navigate life's challenges and unlock your full potential. Today we have a fascinating topic to discuss: how to use deep thinking to solve problems. So, grab a cup of tea, find a comfortable spot, and let's dive right in. You know, in today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves rushing from one task to another, barely taking the time to pause and reflect. But what if I told you that by engaging in deep thinking, you can solve problems more effectively and make better decisions? Intriguing, right? So, let's explore this concept together. Deep thinking, also known as critical thinking or reflective thinking, involves taking a step back from a problem or situation and examining it from various angles. It's about questioning assumptions, seeking alternative perspectives, and exploring potential solutions beyond the obvious ones. One of the key aspects of deep thinking is embracing a slow and deliberate thought process. We live in an era of instant gratification, where we expect quick answers and immediate solutions. However, by rushing through the thinking process, we often overlook valuable insights and fail to address the root causes of our problems. So, how can we practice deep thinking? Well, it starts with carving out dedicated time for reflection. Find a quiet space, free from distractions, where you can gather your thoughts and focus. This could be early in the morning, during a walk in nature, or even through journaling. Give yourself permission to slow down and engage with your thoughts. Another important aspect of deep thinking is asking the right questions. By challenging assumptions and seeking alternative viewpoints, we can gain a deeper understanding of the problem at hand. Ask yourself, what assumptions am I making? Are there other ways to approach this situation? What are the underlying causes? Alongside questioning, it's crucial to engage in active listening and observation. Take the time to truly understand others' perspectives, as well as observe the world around you. Often, valuable insights can be found in unexpected places if we pay attention. Now, let's talk about the power of creativity in deep thinking. By allowing your mind to wander, you can tap into your imagination and generate unique ideas and solutions. Give yourself permission to think outside the box and explore unconventional approaches. Remember, some of the greatest discoveries and innovations were born from imaginative thinking. As we wrap up our discussion on deep thinking, I want to emphasize the importance of patience and persistence. Deep thinking is a skill that requires practice and dedication. Don't be discouraged if you don't find immediate solutions. Trust the process and embrace the journey of discovery. Before we end, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our Human Errors YouTube channel By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on personal growth, self-care, and strategies for overcoming challenges.